Queen Elizabeth II noted how similar little Archie is to his father Prince Harry in a recent video call, it has been claimed. The Queen noticed the stark similarities between father and son when the Sussexes called her to wish the monarch a happy 94th birthday on April 21, royal expert Katie Nicholl said. Sources told Nicholl the monarch noticed one-year-old Archie has inherited Prince Harry's red hair. The royal author added that phone call marked one of the rare occasions the monarch saw Archie over the past year. The virtual reunion took place between Los Angeles, when Meghan, Harry and Archie have relocated in late March, and Windsor Castle, where the Queen and Prince Philip are self-isolating. Royal sources also told Nicholl the silver linings Meghan and Harry found during this lockdown. The author wrote in the Sunday Times Meghan and Harry are having a magical time as a family. As their baby has just turned 1, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex are able to witness together some of Archie's first milestones and important events. The expert added, Archie is a happy and sweet baby, full of love and joy, and it's contagious. He is active and pulling himself up on everything with a great determination to walk. Archie was last in the UK in November 2019, before he jetted off to Canada with his parents for their announced 6-week break from royal duties. While Meghan and Harry returned to the UK twice between January and March this year, Archie remained in the care of his nanny in British Columbia throughout their trip. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex are working from their LA home while lockdown measures are still in place. As confirmed by several videos shared online over the past few weeks, Meghan and Harry have been in touch with organizations close to their heart and their patronages. Similarly, they are believed to be working behind the scenes on their non-for-profit organization, Archewell. All members of the royal family have had to adapt the way they communicate with each other and the public given the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. In a recent interview with the BBC, Prince William and Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, revealed they have been speaking regularly over the phone or video with the extended family. Prince William joked, "As you can imagine, the younger generation are a little more tech-savvy. The family are getting a little bit more used to being able to contact each other and press the right buttons and not dropping the computer halfway through." Chiming in, Kate acknowledged the importance of calling relatives at such a stressful time. She said, "It's so true. And I think your father and my parents and our families have really loved keeping in touch with the children because they know it's really hard. I'm not going to lie, it gets a bit hectic with the 2-year-old.